Alright, you ready? Alright, I'll take my shoes off. Alright, let's go. Big drop. Oh, there's a lot of swell. That might not be too good. What are we going to do? Pretty decent. We'll just rest the kayak up right on the top then for now.
Just want to double check next way with Dave.
Might put my phone in my dry bag just in case. Get out of here first. Decent size swell. Put my paddle here. This is more important than actually putting the life jacket on for now, because if I get stuck in here, I'm gone. So, put that there. Fire drives in. No swell coming yet. Alright, cool. Now put our life jacket on. PFD. Alright, give Luke his net. Ready? Those two. Welcome back, guys. Wow, what an entry to get in, eh? I think it might be change of tide. So there's some big swell. Unfortunately, the water's pretty dirty, so it might be a bit tricky for the squid. So what we've got on as a backup anyway is the glow tiger, fluoro green, yellow, orange, so the squid will be able to see that, no worries at all. And while the float's going, we're actually going to have a paternoster rig down there with some fresh squid, and hopefully we can get some King George whiting, some red mullet, and see what else is around. So we're just getting to the spot now, and yeah, like I said, the water's not too clean. It's not as bad here, it's pretty cloudy, but we've also got to watch the swimmers today because, yeah, there's quite a few of them around. Alright guys, we are tied up now. In the meantime, I've got a big burley pot full of chum and chopped up fish. So, I'm going to drop that down. So, I've got the bottom trail. What do you got? Luke's just chucked the rod in and he's got a whiting.
First cast and we're already on.
So that burley pot's down anyway. Looks like I'm starting off with the bottom bait. What is it? Whiting. It's a whiting. Beautiful. Yes. All right, I'm gonna put some bait on now. Now the only bad thing is everything's still frozen. So we've got a cuttlefish from the last kayak session, and as you could tell, guys, we did a fabulous job catching the whiting, and we only used 2 tack tentacles, so we've got the whole body of us today. So I'm just going to try and cut a piece from him. Just try and cut a strip. Alright, we've cut our strip. Now I'm going to turn that into a couple baits. Alright, we've got 4 baits now. Let's just put one like that. And oh, it's a bit soft to cuddle, so I might weave this one a couple times, just like that. Now I'm going to look for a sand patch just behind us, or in front of us I should say. Drop that right in there. While that rod's out, we're going to defrost our garfish bait. Oh, yep. Whoa, nearly lost my rod. Nearly lost my rod. I need to tighten that. Oh, and lost the fish. Damn it. That was 100% a whiting. 100%. Damn it. All right, I've tightened my rod holder now. That rod nearly went poop straight in the water. It's good to get leashes on your rods too, just in case. But I'm pretty sure that was a whiting, and we lost him. Hopefully we get another one. Got a fish on, guys. Rod just keeled, and we got him on. It's down deep, so I reckon it's a whiting or a big red mullet. Oh yes, it's going like a whiting for sure. Yes, it's a whiting. Beautiful whiting. Yes. Just show you guys quickly. Look at that. Awesome whiting. So 100% the other one I lost was a whiting. It actually buckled even harder than this one, but look at that. Awesome fish. Bait it back up, and we'll chuck it back in. Yep, floats under, and we've got a, what is that? Is that a gar? Oh, it's a Tommy Ruff. Got a little Tommy. Yep, we've got a fish on. Please be another whiting. Oh, it is. It's another whiting. Yes. Oh, it just came off. Do not fall in the water, mate. Do not fall in the water. There we go. Another awesome King George whiting. Oh, it's getting some bites, Yep, we're on. Another whiting. Whoa. Surely that's another whiting. This is good as. Good fish. It's a very good fish, this one. Or do we have two on? What do we got? Oh no, we got one nice whiting. Really good whiting. That is a good fish. Oh, settle down. Another ripper. Awesome. Look it back in. Oh, getting some bites. Yep, she's on. It's going like another whiting. Hopefully we get a nice bag of these guys. Oh yeah, it's a beautiful whiting. Oh yes, that's a good fish. Oh no. No. Just fell in the water and snapped my rig off. Oh, look at that. Snapped my rig off. Damn it. Alrighty, so I've just tied a new rig on. We've got our bait. That's a spear, because that's never ever happened to me. A line snapping on a whiting. Must have caught, that knot must have caught on some bit of the kayak, and obviously the weight of it, because I'm only using 10 pound on that. So I've just upgraded to about 12 or 15 now. And hopefully it won't snap again. Just getting some bites now. It's holding my hand. Please be a whiting. Oh, they're not whiting bites. Just wind, get out of that patch of wrasse or leatheries. Come on. See, just from that whiting coming off, move the school out. They just got really scared and they moved out. So we're probably going to move now and probably ditch the whiting for a bit and maybe go even shallower and try and get some garfish in there. There's a bit too much current, so we're going to find a patch of sand and weed, probably around that 1 to 2 meter mark, barely up, and hopefully we'll get into a few there. Alrighty, we're in the spot. Shallower, It's actually clear water here and there's no current whatsoever, so it's really good. Luke's tied up to me. Oh, are they gars or are they tommies? I can stand up and have a look, because there's definitely fish there. There's tommies in there. Come on, Garies. All right, the floats are out. Got a bit of burley in, and now we just wait until they rock up. Sun's out too, so that's a good thing. Oh, I think there's a fish underneath my float. A lot of tommies in the burley now, just not feeding. Can't beat an egg and bacon roll. I'm just going out a bit. It has slowed down. No garfish showed up. Only small tommy rough, and they're not really feeding. So I'm going out into deeper water, doing a drift. It's going to be a fast drift, but I'm going to keep steady with the pedals, and hopefully we can get a few flathead. See what else is around too. Yeah, mate. How's it going? Any luck?
No, nothing.
Nothing.
We did yesterday.
Yeah, just got a couple whiting and stuff like that, but now the tide's ripping, so I'm gonna do some drifts in here, see if I can get some gurnard and some flatties. All right, likewise. Just some local legends on the way to our first drift. The tide is absolutely ripping, and I'm just starting out here. I think this is where that bit of reef is. So we're gonna start here and just do a big drift. Oh, I think I had a bite. We're just drifting that fast that I let a bit line out, and we just got to paddle to keep up with the tide. Yep, we've got a fish on. Oh, it's got some weight to it. Oh, it's a gurnard. Tiny gurnard, and he's going to spike me for sure. Look at that. Yeah, nah, how am I going to get that now? Don't have any pliers. Oh, these things are sketchy. All right, off you go, mate. Thanks for not spiking me. That's our first fish for our first drop, and we have drifted so fast, it's not even funny. Round two. Gotta drive forward, because we are drifting so fast. Oh, little bites. Is it on? Oh, it's on. Must be a small floody. It's gotta be. Oh, it's a red mullet. Good red mullet. Whoa, look at that. We'll let this guy go because not really our target species, but look at that, nice fish. Off you go, mate. Another fish on, guys. This one actually done a little bit of a run, so I'm tipping it's a wrasse, otherwise a gurnard. Yeah, it's a wrasse. Must be a bit of reef here. Look at that, not a bad size wrasse either. Off we go, mate. Big whiting.
Come on, beautiful.
Oh, getting some bites, come on. Yep. This has got to be a floody, this one. Yes, we finally got a floody. Oh, what he spat? Oh my God, he spat a crab out and he was alive. It's just swimming back down. He might be a keeper too. Bloody tails on the menu. Now we are talking. I've got something fairly heavy on. Might be a big floody. I'm gonna get up for this one. I see colour. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a monster floody. Gotta get the net out. Oh, no. Just lost my squid jig on the side of the kayak. But it is a big floodie, so it is worth it. Come on. Oh, that is a good floodie. That is a ripper. Yes. Oh. Oh. Seat's not even on properly. Come on. Oh. Oh, yes. Come on. Can't believe I just lost my squid jig on the side. Just dropped straight down. Have a go at that. What a flatty. How good is that? I think I need a proper net, don't I? It's doing the job, but it's just a pain to get out. So there it is, guys. Have a go at that for flatty. What a beauty. What a fish. That is a nice blue spot flatty. So it does pay off. We've done a massive drift. We got a few small ones and this guy came along. So it's all worth it. What a fish. How cool is this? Just going back along the coastline here. The water is crystal clear. Don't get too many days like this, especially this time of year. Water's so clear here. It's low tide now. Current is ripping. We've drifted so far. But anyway, we had to do a rig because, yeah, the hook got tangled and all sorts of stuff. But we're ready again. It's about midday now, actually. Sun's out. Beautiful conditions. Let's get back to the kayak. Alrighty. GoPros are charged. Put that in there. So much easier that we're not on the kayak. I can actually do it properly. That's on there. Get in. Righty, let's roll. How good is this though? Awesome conditions. Absolutely gorgeous. Got a fish on. Cheese have done a long drift since that floodie and I donated a squid jig to the bottom. And we've got a wrasse. We're in reef now. Oh, the other rod's on too. Oh. What do we got on here? Another wrasse? It's not doing head shakes, which is weird. Just twist it around. Alright, we've got double wrasse. One's a big one, one's a small one. Well, not big, but bigger. Alright, off you go. Drop this back down. Put that in the holder. Take this one off. Oh my god, it's already got a fish on. Oh my rod. Jesus. Oh, nearly lost my rod to a bloody wrasse. Even bigger wrasse. I think the tide's starting to slow down a bit, which is really, really good. I'm only going to keep one rod in because there's fish everywhere. And look at my lines. My line's already biting. Is there a fish on it? Yep, we've got a fish. Please don't be another wrasse. It's pretty deep here. Oh, we've got colour. What is that? Oh, it's a monster red mullet. Wow. Look at that. Monster red mullet. Awesome one. How cool is this? Glass out conditions. Oh, getting some bites. Just open the bail arm. Yep. Ooh, chunky. Looks like I got two fish on. It's doing those wrasse sort of head shakes. Wow, I've got 2 wrasse on. And they're decent sized fish too. Look at that. Wow. Just wow. Can't they be big leatheries or something? Alright, that's 1. That's 2. It's the middle of the day now. Crystal clear water, dead calm, blue skies. What more could you want? Look at that. See that little stingray? There's another one here. What I'm doing is so clear the water. I'm just pedaling for a little bit, standing up, and you can see everything. See if we can find a floodie just sitting down on the sand. Oh, there's a massive morwong. Look at the size of that. See if he gets a bait. That is a big morwong. I don't think these things eat bait, but if we can get him, that is going to do my session. It's falling right in front of him. It's literally right in front of him. He's not getting it. Wow, that is a big morwong. He didn't take it. Oh yes, a nice leather jacket just followed my bait in. Come on, eat it, mate. Got him. Got him on. Yes. Look at that. To finish it off, we got a nice leather jacket. That's a rough leather jacket. Look at that. Now we got a nice feed of whiting. So normally I'd keep a few of these, but we'll put him back. Come on, off you go. Off you go. There you go. Off he goes to live another day. Hey buddy, how's it going? It's right underneath the kayak. Yeah, he smells all the fish. Wheel it up a bit. Alright, cool. Couple of nice fish. I think I won. Quickly see what I got. Oh yeah. Out of the whiting, flathead, red mullet, which one would you rather eat? King George whiting and flathead's probably got to be my top 2. Red mullet's not too far behind, but King George whiting and flathead tails, can't beat it. Ready to push mine?
Yeah.
what a session, guys. We're back in. Started off very, very overcast and it was dead calm, and finished it off with an awesome afternoon too. Did chop up midday, but the conditions now is just stunning. Sun's out, blue sky, crystal clear water. This morning the water was very, very dirty and there was a fair bit of swell, and now it's just glass out conditions and the water is pristine. So we got quite a few fish. I got a nice flatty, so I'm stoked with that. The current was roaring, so we did pretty good, and Luke got a couple nice whiting to end it off, and yeah, another awesome session on the kayak. So if you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, comment your thoughts down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you legends in the next one.